हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान। मेरे चैनल ओमनी ज्ञान में आप सब लोगों का फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। सो एज यू कैन सी दैट इट इज अ न्यू सेटअप आई हैड in 2-3 days. I had taken 2-3 days actually to complete the setup for my studio, which will be used for recording purposes for live classes and all. And that is the reason that I could not upload any new videos actually. Now many students have been requesting me, बहुत सारे students जो है मुझे request कर रहे थे कि to solve the objective answers for class 12 English and additional English, alternative English. Now because I was busy in setting this studio, that is why I could not upload any new videos, but I will be uploading those two things, alternative English and English for class 12 objective solved question paper very soon. Don't worry, बहुत जल्दी मैं लेके आऊँगा। और रहा सवाल about this decoration, there are some few more things that is going to be included for the background and all, okay, and that will come very soon. Now students, actually I brought the video today to inform you that I had recently uploaded a video called 3 key points for students. So 3 important points for students, 3 key points, okay, this was the title of the video. If you have not watched the video, then you must go and watch the video right now. That video was actually for class 10 and 12 based on your questions, based on your queries, okay. So please go and watch that video. Now even after uploading the video, I think many students did not watch the video thoroughly, okay, completely. Maybe you did not watch. Now for your information, let me tell you that if you go to the description box, अगर आप description box खोलेंगे, okay, more पे click करेंगे, description में जाके अगर आप more पे click करेंगे, if you click on more, then you will find the timeline. ठीक है, वहां पे चैप्टर्स दिए हुए हैं, टाइमलाइन दिए हुए हैं, तो आप अपने रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से, अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट, यू कैन skip the video and jump to the timeline, okay. Say for class 12, many students were asking me for class 10, class 12 that sir, what is this best of 5 system. Many students keep asking me, sir, if I fail in one subject, then will I pass or fail, okay. Then there has been a rumor that from next year there will be no matric exams. ठीक है, अगले साल से 2025 से कोई SSLC बोर्ड एग्जाम्स, क्लास 10 बोर्ड एग्जाम्स होंगे ही नहीं. देयर विल बी नो बोर्ड एग्जाम्स. नाउ दीज आर ऑल रूमर्स एज आई टोल्ड इन द वीडियो ऑल्सो. सो यू प्लीज गो एंड वॉच द वीडियो. देन अगेन फॉर क्लास 12 आई हैड मेड अ वीडियो दैट what is fourth or additional subject, how much important or not important is the additional subject, whether this fourth subject or additional subjects marks are going to be added with the total marks in your result, okay. All these details I have given in the video, but still many students, maybe you did not watch the video completely, so many students were commenting me in the comment section, okay. So please watch that video, 3 key points for students. And again, once again, let me repeat that I have given timeline, okay. You check the description box. आप description box में जाके timeline check कर सकते हैं. वहां से कि timeline में आपके requirement के हिसाब से, according to your requirement, you can watch, you can just jump onto the time of that particular video, of that particular section of the video, and watch that part which is important for you. If you wish that I will not watch the entire video, you can skip and watch what is needed according to you. Now one question that has been many a times that students keep asking me, and I find this question a little bit funny. I'll tell you why I find it a little bit funny. Students keep asking me, sir, what is the grace marks for class 10 or class 12? See, you don't need to worry about grace marks. Nobody knows what are the grace marks. And even if somebody knows, they are not going to tell you, because these are very confidential things being said by the Meghalaya Board of School Education, which is MBOS. मुझे नहीं पता. First of all, I do not know how much grace marks is given in the exam, okay. And secondly, if anybody knows, अगर किसी को पता भी है तो वो नहीं बताएगा. He or she, that particular teacher will never inform this, because this is against the code of conduct of MBOS, है ना. कुछ कॉन्फिडेंशियल चीजें होती है जो सिर्फ एम्बोस या उनके ऑफिशियल्स को ही पता है, और वो कभी ये लीक आउट नहीं करेंगे. तो इट इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर यू टू नो हाउ मच ग्रेस मार्क्स इज गिवन टू यू. यू मस्ट ओनली नो वन थिंग, व्हाट इज योर पास मार्क्स. Alright, now only those students who are absolutely sure that maybe they will not pass in the exam, these students keep asking me, sir, what is the grace marks, how much grace marks is given. First of all, see, this question is very absurd question. please do not ask this question that how much grace marks will be given, because as I told you that neither I can tell you nor anyone will tell you, even if that person knows, अगर उसको पता भी है तो वो आपको नहीं बताएगा, इसलिए क्योंकि ये रूल्स के खिलाफ है, it is against the rules. There are few things that should be kept confidential. Alright, so you need not know your what you need to know is that what is the pass marks, क्या pass marks दिए जाते हैं. तो pass marks as you know is 30 for class 10, class 12 those who have practical exams their pass marks are different. It is written on your question paper itself. Pass marks आप मुझे नहीं भी पूछेंगे तो चलेगा. If you don't ask what is the pass marks to anybody, no need to ask. Why? The pass marks, full marks and pass marks, it is given on your question paper itself. तो आप अपने क्वेश्चन पेपर के फ्रंट पेज पे देख सकते हैं. You can see the total marks, the full marks, I'm sorry, the full marks and the pass marks on your question paper itself. It is given there only. So there is no need to ask. Okay? और ग्रेस मार्क्स के बारे में आप प्लीज मत पूछिए, because first of all I do not know, और अगर मुझे पता भी है तो मैं नहीं बताऊंगा क्योंकि आपको कोई नहीं बताएगा ये. These are very confidential things. Okay? And many students have asked me that sir, when will results be out? See, you have just given your exams, enjoy your holidays. When results will be out, I will definitely come up with a video and I will be the first person who will verify the news and then update you on expected date of result. Firstly. Secondly, the important point that I wanted to cover in this video is regarding fake news on results. There will be several fake news about results. Okay, a notice will be photoshopped. A photo of the notice will be edited, photoshopped, and some rumors will spread. Okay, that results will be out, results will be declared on this date. Okay, these are all fake news until and unless MBOS or the department which is concerned, okay, the Department of Education, MBOS, these are concerned departments to declare. Newspapers are there, okay, the verified newspaper, good newspapers, okay, the popular newspapers are there who will be giving you the news on results. So only after verification you can be sure that results will be out. Otherwise don't lend your ears, don't lend your eyes to such kind of rumors that are being spread on social media, over social media, and over WhatsApp and all these things. Okay, so do not lend your ears. Whenever the time of result will come, you will get notified by me. Okay, so this is all from me, and next live class or next pre-recorded class will come very soon. Don't worry, I will inform you. Please follow me on Instagram. मुझे जाके अभी Instagram पे follow कीजिए, वहाँ आपको notification मिल जाएगा. Time to time please keep checking my community tab on YouTube, on my channel Omni Gyan YouTube. Okay, आप वहाँ पे जाके check कीजिए community tab. वहाँ पे मैं information डालता रहता हूँ. When the next video will come, at what time it will come, whether it will be a live class or a recorded class or a premiered video will be uploaded. Okay, all these things I will be updating you on Instagram, through Instagram and through my YouTube community tab. So don't worry about that. And one more request that I keep making to the students is that I have recently made a fresh new channel called Omni Gyan Shorts. Okay, that the logo you can see on the screen. That channel, please subscribe to the channel and give the same love that you have given to my main channel, this channel. Okay, तो उस चैनल को भी जाके आप सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक्स कीजिए वीडियोस पे, वीडियोस देखिए, बहुत इन्फॉर्मेटिव अच्छे वीडियोस है. दोज वीडियोस आर वेरी इन्फॉर्मेटिव एंड वेरी गुड वीडियोस. एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर स्टडीज के अलावा भी जी के जनरल नॉलेज के बारे में जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नो अबाउट व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अराउंड इन एंड अराउंड द वर्ल्ड, स्पेस, साइंस. ओके, ऑल द जनरल नॉलेज थिंग्स यू मस्ट नो. तो उसको जाके सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, अभी जाके सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. ओके, एंड कीप फॉलोइंग माय वेबसाइट omnigyan.net एंड ऑल दीज लिंक्स यू विल फाइंड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जाके आप इन सारे लिंक्स को चेक कर सकते हैं और अपने हिसाब से आप जाके उनको फॉलो कर लीजिए. प्लीज फॉलो दोज लिंक्स सो दैट एवरी टाइम व्हेन आई अपलोड एनी न्यू वीडियो द इंफॉर्मेशन यू विल गेट ऑन टाइम. ओके, सो फाइनली I would end the video right now. Okay, subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos as you always do, and after watching each video please put a like. Okay, it motivates me to make more good videos फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके, तो सब्सक्राइब कीजिए चैनल को, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए वीडियोस, और दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम मी फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. विथ लव फ्रॉम ओमनी ज्ञान एंड ऑल द बेस्ट टू ऑल ऑफ यू. थैंक यू so much.